Okay, we are continuing from the previous lesson that we just ended, and we are looking at tutorial lesson 5, of which we are going to look at worksheet basis, the simple things that we do on our worksheet. So quickly open our workbook that contains the worksheet, then we work on it. We are going to look at how to format our text. And formatting our text, we are going to look at font size, changing of font size, font style, and others. And this, you have, if you want to change any font style or font size, you need to select the cell that you want to, that contain the text. So let's assume I want to change the font style of this. You select it here, then you choose the font style that you want. So let's say I want to use Agency FB. So I choose it. I want to make it bold, I click on bold and others. If I want to change the font size, I can make it was 16. That is it. You can apply what you call font color to your text. So let's say I want to make my font color to the color of my choice. Then you can also apply fill color, which will fill the cell. Okay, that is it. Then you look at how to apply borders to your text. Let's assume that I want to apply borders to 10. You need to select the cell that you want to apply the border. So I select it, and you go to, in the same font group, you go there and you see that we have where they have written double border button. There's an arrow in front of it. You choose that one, then you choose the border style that you want. So let's assume that I want all borders, then I choose, and you see that it is like this. The reason why it is like this is that I have changed the line style of the borders that I'm using. In case I don't want it to be dot line, I want it to be full line, I select the same thing, then I go back to where they have written the border, then I come to line style, then I choose a full line, then I use it to draw over it. Okay, the same way, if the pencil icon is still there, you press your escape key and it will just vanish off. The same way, if I want to give my line a color, I can also do that. I select it and I go to the same portion, then I come to line color. So let's assume that I want to use a color like blue to color my line. I choose blue, then I use the draw over 8, and you see that my line color of my line have to change to blue. You will not see because the blue is like a black, so different color of which you will see it better. Let me use what we call red, so that if I draw, you will see the red line. Yeah, that is it. So you can change the color of your, you can just change the color of your line. If the pencil icon is there, you press on escape and it will vanish off. Okay, so that is it. The next thing that you look at it is how to change the orientation of the text, that is the direction of the text. That is, you can center align your text, you can right align your text. This is center align, right align, then left align. When you go to top align, middle align, your text at the bottom of the cell, you have to come to bottom align. In case you want to put your text at the middle of the cell, you just click middle align and this. Okay, the next thing that you look at is orientation, which is a direction where you want your text to look at. You can rotate it. You can make your text to be angle counterward clockwise. You can make it angle clockwise. You can make it vertical. You can rotate it text up. You can rotate it down. You can format the cell alignment. So let's assume that I want this heading to be angle counterclockwise, and you see how it will look like. I come to then let's say I make it angle clockwise, and you see that it has gone up because the size of the cell is too small. You will not see it better unless you enlarge it. So you open it small for it to contain everything there. So that is how to do that. Alright, the next thing that you look at it is our page of the sheet, how the page appear. So let's look at it. You have the normal view, the page layout view, and the page break preview. So for you to look at how it is, you click on it and you see this is the page layout view, and this one enables you to give a header to your also number your pages. So assuming I want to number these pages, or I want to put, let's say, my index number here. I just click here, then I type, let's say 0219130013, and let's say you can also put your name here, let's say Sarah. Then if it is Lai, you can also put Sarah Lai here. Let's say Sarah Lai here. Then if you want to put a date, you can also put today's date. So it enables you to do such a thing. And you can also number your pages. So when you go down, you see that if the moment I go to the next page, what I have done in the first page, the reason why here is inactive is that there is nothing I have done on such a page. That's why. So you can also number this page, let's say 1. So the moment I jump to this, you see that what I did on top here will appear on the next page, and here should 2 of my text. Okay, so that is it. So this enables you to do such a thing. Let's look at the other one, the page break. When you click on the page break, this is how it looks like. The page break will just remove everything that you have done. The page that you are working with, it will just bring that page out. So you see that they have make it page 1. Okay, so that is it, and you can just come back to your normal view. Alright, so assuming that you want to give a header to your page, you need to come to the layout view. Then okay, we shall continue in our next video.